Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial from Tutorial 91 Guy. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a basic navigation bar using CSS in Dreamweaver CS5. It will be a quick tutorial, so better be attentive. So here I have two pre-made pages. One is index.html and other is style.css. I'll be linking style.css with my index.html so that the values which will be here will be there if I create a class or a ID. So I think we should let's start now. I'm gonna first link it to my index page like this, and it's gonna be like Charles cause its name is Charles, and extension .css, and the type gonna be text/css cause it's CSS file, not in JavaScript. So if you save it out, and here we're gonna have another CSS thing. We can create over here three things. First, it's gonna be a nav bar. I'm defining it using an ID nav_bar and open it, and if you see background color like this background, alright, so color gonna be black for now, and we're gonna define width to it. Width gonna be 100 pixels and height gonna be 25 or something like that. 25 right, 25 pixels. And line height basically is something related to height, so I'm gonna do it as like one pixel too. And the font family gonna be this Wardana, and the font size would be this 18 pixels. So we're pretty much done with it. I'm gonna copy it and define it as button over here. So if the background alright, this thing is this, and gonna copy it again. So if someone hovers, moves their cursor to any button on my page, it gonna hover, and the color of the button gonna be changing to this CCC, capital. Alright, the main text color or font color gonna be, I guess I didn't define it yet, they're gonna be white, and if you hover at this, and the color gonna be changed to black. Alright, so we're pretty much done. First, let me copy it over here, copy and paste. So I think this will be fine. Now here, if we table close, I'm going to close table here too. tr td tr. So right here we're gonna add a div tag to it. Div tag plus gonna be refresh style sheet style set CSS. Oh, sorry, I'm defining it class. It's ID. Oh, my mistake. Navbar, cause it's the main class that will contain every button. So if I do it as float kind of basically arrange them into one line, and copy it over here, save it. And so float is something, right, it will be something which gonna okay, wait, here's an example button. So in first button I'm gonna write contact. I'm not writing in first button home cause I did it as float right. So float right gonna reverse everything. change it to like Dreamweaver, and the other one gonna be copy home. So if I see over here home and save this page and view it as preview in Chrome. So if you see there's home, Dreamweaver in contact. I guess I did something wrong. Actually 100px is not everything. It's not getting it that way. So 200 and pixels gonna be 30. And float, as you see, float is not working right now, so we're gonna change the float to left. I don't think, cause last time I tried float didn't work for me, so I don't know what's wrong with float. So as you can see here, we're done. We're pretty much done with it, but it's not in center, I guess. So text align center. We're gonna use here another attribute, text align center, and save it. Hold on a second. So there it is. Refresh. Oh, this is so deep shit stuff. Let me see something. Alright, color can be white and it can be 200px, and the height can be 30px. Save it. And we'll be needing, I guess, more height. So 100px, and this it's not working. I have to check it out, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, so main mistake was my font size, which I got as 18 pixels, and it was creating an issue. So I decreased the font size and I removed line height from these two and added it 22px. So if I get refresh, I got this home Dreamweaver contact. It's not image, so it's a good thing because it don't requires a lot. Like you can define it in, like you can use an ID, a class, or a tag, but I don't think a tag will work over here. So ID and class is better to use, and I'll be providing this code on my website. If you don't have an account yet, please register on my website. It's free, and you can download this code from there, the CSS code, and you can use it your way. And as I told you, float never works for me, so I don't know. So see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe and visit my website and register an account for free codes of every video I've ever made.